All right, I'm tearing down the LQ4. So I'm gonna pull these accessories off, take these heads off, and check out what's inside. All right, I pulled the accessories off and broke these loose, but I never opened them. Not bad, not bad. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I like what I'm seeing so far. Oh, very good. All right, well, time to pull these heads off. Okay, I wanted to share a couple things. So, as I'm taking this apart, I just pulled the rockers off. And I checked each one of the heads of these things. And you can see... Actually, this is a bad example. But sometimes these get cat-eyed where they're oval-shaped instead of round. And you can definitely see that on the receiving end of the rocker arm. And then also I checked the valve springs because I have had some of these broke. And then I also, in this area here, I found the bottom part of the fill neck for the oil. It had snapped off when this engine was removed, so I had to fetch that. All right, we got the heads pulled off. I mean, everything was looking good. I mean, this is a 2001, so to see all this dirt and stuff from the EGR and pulling the crankcase into the intake, I mean, it's putting a little bit of oil in the cylinder, so I'm pretty happy with what I see. So next I gotta pull the harmonic off, pull this cover off and see the timing chain, and then pull the cam out. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this morning.